Hi guys, welcome back to Pier Runners. So today I'm going to be doing a huge Amazon haul for swimsuits and cover-ups. So if you are looking for inexpensive swimwear, I'm going to be showing a whole range for different body types, and all the items that I'm going to show in today's video, I will put the links in the description box down below. All right, so the first bathing suit that I wanted to show you is this one piece. What I like about this is that it's a swim dress. So as you can see, it looks like a little dress, but it's made of this swimsuit material. Now, this swim dress has this little skirt detail at the bottom, so it does hide your bum area really well. And it does have this slit here in the front. You do have like these swim shorts underneath, and the top area does come padded. Now, I got it in this bright blue color. I think it's absolutely stunning, but it does come in a variety of other colors. All right, the next swimsuit I want to show you is, again, another swim dress. So it has this little skirt detail, except this one has a little tie here on the side that you can untie if you want to. But I think it's really nice. It gives you that sexy little leg, but it still has the skirt here on the back. Now, this is a very comfortable one piece. Again, it comes padded. I got it in this cute little electric blue pattern with these pink flowers. I think it's just so pretty for the summer, but it does come in solid colors and it also comes in other patterns. All right, so the next bathing suit I wanted to show you is this white one piece. I really like this one because it does look like a tank top, especially when you're wearing a bottom with it. Now, as you can see, it has a square neck and the little spaghetti straps. Now, the straps are adjustable, so you can go up and down with these. It does have cups in it, so it does provide you with enough support, and the back of it does come up pretty high, like the bum area. I think this is a pretty nice swimsuit. It's very simple, but I think it's also very elegant. All right, so to wear over that bathing suit, I wanted to show you one of the cover-ups that I got myself off of Amazon. I got this little white crocheted top. I think it's really, really cute. So as you can see, it has this cute little neckline. It's like a little scallop neckline, and it does have sleeves. It does come pretty low. It comes middle of my thigh, so it does cover the bottom pretty well. Now, I'm wearing the small, but if you want something a little bit lower, you could size up to a medium or a large. All right, so the next bathing suit that I wanted to show you is this little two-piece set. Now, as you can see, this has a really cute little skirt, and this is made of a little layered chiffon. So there's 3 layers here, so it does give enough coverage. Here, the skirt does come down pretty low, which is quite nice. And the skirt itself is a high-waisted skirt, so it does hide any poochy belly or anything like that. Here you do have this low-cut front, which is a little bit of a sexy feature, but it has a nice structure. It holds up the girls really well. It comes with these pads built in, and the straps are adjustable, so you can adjust them up and down if you need to. And what I really like about this bathing suit is it has nice wide straps, so it gives a really nice support for those larger chested women out there. Now, I got it in this navy blue color because I thought it was very elegant, but it does come in a whole other range of colors. All right, so the next bathing suit I want to show you is this cute little two-piece set. I love the pattern, like this navy blue pattern with the little flowers. I think it's really, really cute. As you can see, it has this deep V-neck with the crisscross detail. The straps are adjustable on this, so you can lift them up or down if you need to. And it does have the built-in padding, which is very, very comfortable to support the girls. Now, it does come with a bottom, which is very high-rise, so if you do have a poochy belly that you want to hide or stretch marks or anything like that, it does have that bikini bottom, so I find it's a very modest looking bathing suit. The next bathing suit I wanted to show you is this bikini. Now, I got it in this really pretty coral pink color, but it does come in other classic colors. Now, this bikini does have like a texture. It has like these little ridges on the top of it. The bikini top does have padding, and it does have this little tie in the front. Now, this bikini does not have adjustable straps, so you can't really adjust the height of it, but I have to say that I feel like it's holding up the girls really, really well. The bottom here does have this high-rise bikini bottom, and it does come pretty low, so it does hide a good portion of your bum. Now, I got this in the size medium, and I find that it fits me perfectly, but it's right on the border of being too small. So if you are somebody who's a bit bigger than me, you might want to look to size up. All right, so the next cover up that I wanted to show you is this little crocheted pink dress. I think it's a really cute little cover up. It's very modest because it does come down nice and low, like to the middle of your thigh. Here, the back of it has a nice length to it. It does have like this middle band here, which does define your waist a little bit. It has a V-neck top with these 3 little buttons. It also has these cute little cap sleeves. And as you can see, the crochet on it is nice and wide, so it's very, very breathable, and it's a very comfortable cover up. It's perfect just to throw over your swimsuit, especially if you have to go into a restaurant or something. The next bathing suit is a little bikini. Now I decided to get this cute little polka dot bikini. It's very retro looking. It has this Marilyn Monroe look to it. It has this deep V-neck, the push-up bra, and the little bow here at the front. And it has the halter neck tie right here. The bottom is a cute little bikini bottom with, again, the 2 little bows on each side. Now I got it in this black color with the little white polka dots. I think it's very elegant, but it comes in a whole bunch of different colors and patterns. All right, the next cover up I wanted to show you is this black slip. I think it's a really nice cover up. It comes down really nice and low. If you're somebody who's very tall and you're looking for a longer cover up, this would be a good solution. You just throw this over your bathing suit. It's made of this super lightweight material, very, very breathable. It has this nice little collar here that opens up. It does have these ties here on each side of the sleeves, so you can roll up your sleeves if you want to. Now, I got it in the color black, but it does come in white and in other colors. I wanted something just classic if I'm going on an excursion. Okay, the last bathing suit in my haul is this cute little bikini. I absolutely love the pattern of this bikini. I think it's just so vibrant and fun and perfect for a cruise. Now, as you can see, the top has this cute little bow here. It does come padded, so it does hold up the girls pretty well. Now, the bottom, as you can see, is a bikini bottom, and it does provide quite a lot of coverage in the back, so it's not too revealing. And because of that crisscross feature in the back, it feels solid, and this is a very comfortable bikini. I can see myself wearing this all day. I got it in this cute little floral pattern, but it does come in other patterns and solid colors. All right, so for the last cover up, I wanted to show you this little crocheted dress that I got myself. But as you can see, it has this pretty seashell gold detail here at the front, and it has a little peekaboo opening right here. What I like about this dress is it has these bell sleeves, which I think are really, really pretty. Now the cover up does come down mid-thigh, so it does provide pretty good coverage, especially here in the back. But my favorite part about this dress is actually the material. It's just so soft, so it's very, very comfortable to wear. All right, guys, so those are all the swimsuits and cover-ups that I got on Amazon. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more videos like this one where I show cruise outfits and cruise swimsuits. And I'd really appreciate if you take the time to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. Happy cruising. Bye.